and welcome to my kitchen. One-pot meals have always topped my list of cooking for simple reasons that they're not messy and quite easy to cook. Today's one-pot meal is Prawns Tawa Pulao, which uses our day-to-day ingredients and one special ingredient that I'll come to in a few minutes. So I'll quickly take you to the ingredients and then run through the process of making it. So here are my ingredients: tomatoes, capsicum, slit green chilies, lemon, bay leaves, cinnamon stick. Then I have some amchur or dry mango powder, some garam masala powder, cumin and coriander powder. Then I have turmeric or haldi and chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and my special ingredient is Pav Bhaji Masala. Salt and pepper to taste. I have fried onions, but you can even fry the onions first in oil if you don't have fried onions. Then curd, some green peas, few sprigs of coriander, and de-veined prawns. Of course, we'll be using some oil. Then I'm using 2 or a little more than 2 cups of rice. I shall parboil them. Then I take oil in a pan. Add some cumin seeds, slit green chilies, the ginger garlic paste and the tomatoes. Then you add in all the spices, which includes your salt, haldi, chili powder, the cumin and coriander powder, then the dry mango amchur powder, the garam masala powder, and mix in all of them well. Add your fried onions to it. Mix well, then add your green peas and the curd. Combine all of these and add your Pav Bhaji Masala. Now put your prawns in. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for a while. The prawns doesn't take too much of a time to cook. Once the prawns is ready, you can add in the capsicum and the rice. While making pulaus, I prefer chilled rice or rice which is leftover, so it avoids the rice from getting sticky. Now we'll add in some coriander, squeeze in a lemon and mix it well. Now our tawa pulao is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do subscribe and like if you did.